Hey everyone, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a long time and haven't uploaded in quite a while, which I'm really sorry about. Honestly, life's just been really hard and I wanted to wait until I felt okay to film, and honestly I don't know if that's gonna be a reality again. But anyway, I really wanted to just get back into it and try to start uploading again, so here we are. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my apartment since I'm now actually pretty happy with how it's decorated. And also I'm obviously spending a lot of time here right now, just given the whole quarantine situation. So yeah, it's a video I enjoy watching. So it's one that I wanted to make and share with you guys so that you have something to keep you entertained too. When you first walk into the apartment, this is what you see when you look up. And then to the left, I've got this just full-length mirror, which is really nice. And then it's also the closet where I keep my coats and some of my shoes. I've got a lot of shoes, let's be real. And then over here, we have my kitchen. So the kitchen's nothing too fancy, but honestly, I love it. So here I've got my coffee maker, which I never use, and just some cooking utensils. And then my oven and stove, which I sometimes use. Then my microwave, which I use more often, let's be real. I should cook more, but it's hard when it's just one person. So over here, we have just a sink and some storage room. And then obviously the cupboards up above. And the counter where I've got my water, Kleenex, butter, which I never use since I'm way more of a margarine person. Couple bananas, and a dishwasher, which is honestly amazing. And then we've of course got the fridge where all the food is. I mean, I don't need to explain a fridge. And then walking around the corner here is another entrance to the living room. So I've got this cute gold clock, which I got from Winners, I want to say. Definitely love it. And then on the floor, I've got this painting, which I just don't know where to put it. And then I've got my HEPA filter, which is incredible if you have pets. And then this covered table where I've got my litter box under. And this is great because I don't smell it as much and I don't have to see it, but it's easy for the cats to just go through their curtain. Then going around here, I've got my IKEA storage thing, which just actually came with the apartment. And I've got my scanner on the left, then my Cricut machine, and then my printer. And I've also got a tiny TV behind the printer, which I sometimes use as a viewfinder for YouTube. Then on top of the unit, I've got my giant TV, which honestly I don't watch that much. But when I am, it's nice to have. And then I've got this little fake plant from Dollarama and my tinsel tree from Christmas, even though it's literally the middle of April, but oh well. Then over here I've got some just little stuffed animals. So I've got, yeah, this little seal, this guinea pig, which I mostly use for taking pictures for my Etsy store since I sell guinea pig related products. And this mouse, his name's Shadow. The other two don't really have names. And then behind him, I've just got this, can't remember what they call it, but makes the room smell nice. So right next to the IKEA storage unit, I have my little sewing table. And I just use my desk chair for that, so I just wheel it over. Then next to that, I've got a smaller IKEA storage thing. So on here, I've got some books and movies, and then behind them is just a bunch of candles. So next to that cubby, I just have binders and notebooks and sketchbooks and stuff. So yeah, most of this stuff I don't use a ton, but good to have. On top of the unit, I have my sewing box, which just holds random stuff I need for sewing. And then behind there is a box of pressure feed and stuff for my machine. I know it's not really that exciting. And then this here is a product for my Etsy store that I just made. I have to take a picture of it for a craft sale I'm applying to, so that's why it's hanging out here. Then looking down, I've got my cat tunnel and a little scratching box for the cats and a blanket for them as well. I tried to clean up the toys as much as I could for this video, but they're pretty messy, honestly. And here's Penny. Say hi. She doesn't want to. Anyway, over here I've just got my desk. So yeah, just that Alex desk from IKEA. And then my chair from IKEA, which has honestly gotten pretty scratched up because of Penny. But that's okay because she's cute. So on my desk, I've just got, you know, your desk supplies, an agenda with basically nothing on it because none of us are doing anything anymore. And then I've got just a picture of my dog who lives at my parents' house. And then this little notebook, which I write random stuff down in. Then I've got my MacBook here and the mouse. Then over here I've got my vision board, which helps to just keep me inspired and motivated to keep trying to be the best version of myself. So down here next to my desk I have one of the cat food and water bowl sets, and they just got fed recently, which is why there's food. And then I also have my IKEA lamp, which I think is really cute and lights things up at my desk, since honestly when it gets dark there's no light at this side of the apartment. And then over here we've got both of my cats and my couch with the cushion covers I have. I know they don't match and it's kind of annoying, but whatever, I think it's cute. Then looking up, I've got my 3 art pieces, which are sort of hard to see with the reflection. So I have the pink Valentino heels, the perfume bottle that says Coco Mademoiselle on it, but you can't really see it, and then this cute lip print. All of these 3 I bought as a digital download from Etsy, so I'll actually leave that link down below if you're interested. And then I actually got my sister's boyfriend to print them since he owns a massive printer. In front of the couch, I just have my IKEA coffee table with my cutting mat underneath for sewing. And then this faux fur rug, which I actually made myself using some faux fur fabric, some cotton fabric, and some hot glue. Over here, I've just got this black cherry Merlot Bath & Body Works candle, which smells incredible. And next to the couch, I have this IKEA lap desk, which I actually put marble contact paper over the glass to make it more aesthetically appealing in my opinion. And on it I just have my TV remote and my gold coaster. I have a whole set of those scattered around. Then stepping over this way, we go into my bathroom. So the lighting in here is really yellow. But yeah, there I am. I've got one of those bowl sinks, which is really cute. And then over here, I've got my Hello Gorgeous stand to hold stuff, and honestly I think this is really necessary when you've got a raised sink like this. With the sink being raised, as nice as it is, it's just really awkward to reach down for everything, so having it on a stand like this helps a lot. And then I've got toilet, bathtub, nothing exciting, and my towels, which have a bit of mascara on them. So outside of the bathroom, I have this walk-in storage closet, which I'm not gonna show you guys the inside of because honestly it's a disaster. And then over here I have the other set of cat food and water bowls. And then stepping into my bedroom, I've got this hand soap marble thing holding my door open because I don't have a doorstop. And then in my bedroom, I've just got my bed with my giant teddy bear. And I don't know where the bed frame's from, but the headboard is from IKEA. And then the bedding is from Wayfair, and I absolutely love it. It wasn't that expensive, and it's so soft. And then the bed is actually standing on these wooden things, which looks extremely sketchy, but there's actually a hole drilled into the top, so it's not. So anyway, next to the bed, I just have these IKEA nightstands, and there's a blanket on top of it, which sometimes I use and sometimes the cats just like to lay on it, so win-win. Then I've got my closet here, which once again I'm not gonna show you since it's kind of a mess. Everything's all nice and hung up, but there's so many shoes in there. I really need to do a declutter. And then over the bed, I've got my laundry basket because I need to go get money from the bank so I can do laundry, and I just don't want to because I don't like going anywhere in this whole social distancing era. Then I've got my nightstand over here. So on here I've got my journal and then a notebook which I like to write stuff on. Right now I have YouTube ideas open on that page, and then my iPad is underneath. Then I've just got some air freshener, some hand sanitizer, my alarm clock, which isn't the prettiest thing in the world, but I'm hard of hearing and it has a bed shaker, so wakes me right up. And I've got this cute candle. It's from Witch's Key Candle Co. So if you're interested, I definitely recommend checking her out. And then over here, we have my fold out laundry drying rack for things that can't go in the dryer. And then obviously my cat tree with Penny on top. Penny! So next to the cat tree, we have my dresser. And then on top of that, I've got my Nintendo Switch, which is charging because Animal Crossing. And then over here, I have a picture of my first guinea pig, Tajma, and a dog I used to have, Bella. So yeah, this is Tajma's ashes, and we don't know what happened to Bella. We searched for so long, but she went missing a couple days after her first birthday, and yeah, we just never did find what happened to her. So that was really sad. Then over here, I just have a bunch of makeup brushes and some Real Techniques beauty sponges, and then some setting powder. Then over here, I've just got my mirror and some lotion and some perfumes and hand sanitizer and all that fun stuff. And then laundry money, which as you can see, I'm missing loonies, hence the reason I have so much laundry to do. And all of this is on top of just an IKEA Alex storage drawer, which is where I keep all of my makeup and hair products. Okay, so I think that's it for my apartment tour. I know I didn't show you the insides of drawers and stuff, which I know some people love seeing. So maybe at some point I'll do an updated tour and show all that stuff. But for right now, it's just not in a condition to be shown. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll return to my channel. I'm trying to get back to posting videos once every week, but we'll see how that goes. I'm definitely starting to feel better about things, so I'm hoping filming and editing will be something that'll help with that. And honestly, I feel so much better after filming this video, so I think that is something that'll be the case. And I'm stuck at home bored all the time like any of you. My job shut down. So I'll try to keep making videos for you to hopefully enjoy. And thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye!